No, I don't.
Sure?
And let's play with my pet. Do you want to touch it?
No, I don't want to touch it. That thing's scary.
No, it won't bite you or anything.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Don't fall out.
Huh? I did not. That thing's cold, Ella.
It's been in water usually.
Is that your hands? All right, Ella.